Ladies and gentlemen, today we bring you fresh episode on HIV station. Today we'll be asking people on the street, this is street of Petedo, we'll be asking people what is the difference between car and motor. I know a lot of people don't know the meaning of car, some people don't know the meaning of motor. They feel motor and car, they are all the same. But we'll be hearing from people's mouth, those that are passing beside us and those that are going home, to know exactly what's the difference between car and motor. God bless you as you listen. Good afternoon, bros.
Good afternoon.
Yeah, good afternoon. Yes,
good afternoon.
Yes, please, I want to ask you a question if you don't mind.
Okay.
Or are you in the Ace?
Yeah.
Okay, anyway, I want to ask you, what is the differences between motor and car?
Motor and car. They're the same now.
Are they the same?
Yeah.
Are you sure?
Yes.
What makes it the same? As in, I don't understand.
Okay. Motor and car, the same now.
Thank you for the word so sweet.
Good afternoon, sir.
Afternoon.
Please, I want to ask you a question, if you don't mind.
Go ahead.
I'm sorry, what's the difference between a car and a motor, if you don't mind?
Difference between a car and a motor?
Yes, sir.
The difference is that a car, I don't know how to differentiate the two terms, but car is a car, motor is a motor.
Thank you very much. Sir, but I want to ask you, what is the difference between a car and a motor?
A car and motor. A motor is a motor that is the motor where they push, where not the quick start.
Okay.
Not the quick start. But car. If you buy new car like this, go with that king, go go celeste.
You don't mean it?
Oh no, because motor. If you buy 10 liter now, you know if you go 10 minutes, they tell you
it will go.
Oh long. But car, oh long. For my life, if God kill me today, if I come my life again, now car go buy.
Get out of here.
You don't mean it? That means what you are trying to say is that you sound like somebody that has a car. Do you have one?
I have car, but now my future car.
Sorry to ask you. I want to know if there is a difference between a car and motor.
Are you here to make jest of me? I don't know.
You don't. Ma, please, if you don't mind, what is the difference between a car and a motor?
A car and a motor.
Yes.
Seriously, it's a mumu question.
Are you sure?
Are you serious? And then answer us now. Let us know. Some people don't know it though. I have so many people, they have been failing this question.
Okay.
All right.
In my own perspective, let me say a car. Let me say maybe a brand new car.
Okay.
It's very new. But also the one that has maybe it has
expired. Old model. Okay, is that?
I'm laughing like class.
Is that the difference between a car and motor? Wow, this is very.
Let me just say it in that way.
It's okay. Please, what is the difference between a car and a vehicle?
A car.
Yes.
Oh, a car. It shocked me.
It shocked you?
Yeah, but let me try.
All right.
Yeah. What do you say, a car? A car is a new model.
Okay.
Without no stress.
Okay.
With good air condition.
God, why?
With a good
air condition. Yeah, but what you say? What you say? A motor.
Okay.
A motor is push and start.
Hey, what is your usefulness in life?
Oh, wow. You mean there are some vehicles that you need to push before it starts? Oh, that's good. But when you talk about car, it comes with the air conditioner.
Everything, yeah. But when we say car, you just put your key, you start the car, it will move once.
Wow.
But when you say motor, a vehicle you got to push with stress before it starts.
You only tell this man to shut his gutter.
Oh, yeah. Wow. So I'm hearing new vehicles that are coming out now that there are some that they don't even use key to start it. Once you touch a button, it starts. What kind of name should we give cars like that?
You can call such car a new model, or you can also call it new demo.
No, sir. Yes. I hope you don't mind, sir.
I don't marry.
Okay. What's the difference between a car and a motor, sir?
Car and a motor.
Yes.
The difference is the other one is pressure car.
What kind of human being is this?
Go and ask your grandfather.
Okay.
The other one, motor can can carry passenger.
Okay.
You can charter motor to anywhere.
Okay. But you cannot charter a car. Okay, sir. Excuse me, sir, please.
Anywhere.
You again?
Is it that anywhere that I go, I'll just
That is the same. I'm surprised.
How you doing? How you doing?
I'm fine. I'm fine. I think I've interviewed you more than 3 times now.
Yes, I saw you one day at this
Yes.
gate.
Yes. That's what we do for a living. Sir, please, I'm here for a new fresh episode. I want to ask you a question. What is the difference between a car and a motor?
The difference between car and motor.
Okay.
You see, there's big difference between car and motor.
Okay.
You understand? Let me shock you. You see, a car is all this one like you see all these beautiful ones. They are called car.
Okay, those beautiful ones.
It's just like foam. You understand?
Are you serious?
You see, it's just like big brother like that. Dorati, just like the breast of Dorati. It's very, very soft. You understand?
I don't understand.
That is car for you. And motor, boy, when you enter motor is like weapon. Motor is like weapon. If you enter motor, everywhere you just like you will see spares. Sometimes you see cutlass, different thing.
In fact, use cutlass to cut grammar from it.
That is what you see, a car can use 30 liters of oil for 30 years.
Jesus!
Motor use 30 liters of oil for 30 minutes.
2 minutes.
You see, a car, when you drive a car, the car, when you open it, lock it, when you on the car, you start.
Yes.
Even you that on it will not know that you on something. So when you on motor will be like, it's crying. When you drive motor for 30 minutes, you push it for 30 days. That is motor for you. You know, like all this one that if you look your back now, you see what I'm saying. Like all this Danfu, you can call Danfu a motor.
Okay, Danfu, those commercial vehicles you mean? Okay.
Yes, you can call Benz a car.
That is not correct.
That is the difference between car.
My brother, I've not even finished. I'm rushing. I could have give you more.
Let me
Do me a favor, please. Get out of here.
I like another difference again. You can see car inside. You can see car inside estate.
Okay.
See motor inside face me, I slap you.
Jesus is Lord.
That is motor for you. You know what I say? I don't have time. I'm rushing.
Okay, it's okay. Thank you. I hope I'll see you again. Thank you. Thank you very much. Till we come your way, same time, same station. Remain blessed. Bye bye.